thing that matters is taking down the target. And follow it always. My involvement in atrocities, death squads, I absorbed them. I mastered them. So we could snare the prey in our trap, so the mission would be success. Anyway, that's what I convinced myself. No, it's been a long time since I've done that. No, Father, I think I'm way beyond redemption.
There's just you, me, and God. And I'm sworn to secrecy. So what do we have to lose? Come, have a seat. Join. Take your time. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
Lord, tell me what's in your heart.
I feel empty.
Lord,
You know everything they write